Hello students, welcome to online class of Naranganj High School and College. I'm your teacher Shathirani Shaha. Today I'm going to take a class of class 7 and the class will be English second paper. Dear students, hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. I'm all too. Recently you have enjoyed the vacation of Holy Eid. After Eid, this is our first English class. Before Eid, we had discussed about some grammatical items. Hope you all understood that. After those classes, you had also appeared in an exam. After your exam, you were given a lesson plan too. According to your lesson plan, according to your new lesson plan, your first topic is phrases and idioms. Today we will discuss about this very important topic, and that is, I have already mentioned it, phrases and idioms. This topic is not only important in reading but also very important in writing. Actually, if we mention it as a very particular way, we can say this is called the ornament of language. At first, we will define what is phrase. If we define what is phrase, we will say a phrase is a grammatical term referring to a group of words that doesn't include a subject and verb. যদি বাংলায় এর সংজ্ঞাটা আমরা বলবো যদি ফ্রেজ হচ্ছে একটি শব্দগুচ্ছ যার সাবজেক্ট থাকে না, ফিনিট ভার্ব থাকে না এবং বেসিক্যালি যেটি বাক্যে একটি পার্টস অফ স্পিচের মতো কাজ করে। A phrase can be short or long. একটা ফ্রেজ ছোট বা বড় হতে পারে but it doesn't include the subject verb pairing necessary to make a clause. এইটা কোনো ক্লজ বা বাক্যাংশ তৈরি করার জন্য সাবজেক্ট বা ভার্বকে একত্রীকরণ করে না। Here we have some examples of phrases include, and these examples are after the meal, the nice neighbor, we're waiting for the movie. Now we have another definition, and that is, what are idioms? Idioms are word combinations that have a different figurative meaning than the literal meaning of each word or phrase. যদি বাংলায় আমি এর সংজ্ঞাটা বলি তোমাদের বোধগম্যতার জন্য, যাতে তোমরা সহজে বুঝতে পারো, এর সংজ্ঞা হলো একগুচ্ছ শব্দ যা তার নিজস্ব অর্থ প্রকাশ না করে সম্পূর্ণ ভিন্ন কোনো অর্থ প্রকাশ করে তাকে ইডিয়মসে যে শব্দগুলো দেয়া থাকে সেই শব্দগুলোর যে শাব্দিক অর্থ সে অর্থ প্রকাশ না করে তারা ভিন্ন অর্থ প্রকাশ করে। Here I have some examples of idioms for you, and these examples are in hot water. We all know what is the meaning of hot. That means বাংলায় বললে গরম, water মানে পানি, but যখন আমরা এর অর্থ খুঁজতে যাব, the meaning will be in trouble. That means সমস্যায় থাকা বা ঝামেলায় থাকা. And the second example is in the same boat. Same boat, আমরা জানি same মানে একই, boat মানে নৌকায়, but the meaning will be in the same situation, মানে হচ্ছে একই অবস্থাতে থাকা। তাহলে দুটো এক্সাম্পল দিয়ে আমরা এটা বুঝতে পারছি যে through these two examples we can understand this, that the meaning of the word is not according to the word. It will be in a different meaning. And the last but not the least example of idioms is piece of cake, and the meaning is something very easy. I have given here some more examples which are very important for all of you, and these examples are really useful in our everyday life. We really used it. And the examples are apple of discord. The first example is apple of discord. Bangla ortho hocche bibader mool. For your own purpose, for your better understanding, I have given here sentences with each and every example. Apple of discord এর সাথে আমি যে বাক্যটা তোমাদেরকে দিয়েছি, and the sentence is a piece of land was the apple of discord between two countries. বাংলা অর্থ আশা করি বুঝতে পেরেছো। ব্যাক আউট বাংলা হচ্ছে মত পরিবর্তন বা পিছিয়ে পড়া। If you sign your name, you can't back out, you have to pay. between the devil and deep sea, মহাসংকটে, surrounded by ill politics, Bangladeshis are between the devil and deep sea, blue chips, নিরাপদ বিনিয়োগ। এটা খুবই ইম্পর্টেন্ট এবং খুবই সুন্দর একটা ইডিয়মস, যেটার ইংরেজি হচ্ছে গিয়ে, ইডিয়মসটা হচ্ছে ব্লু চিপস, আর বাংলা হচ্ছে গিয়ে নিরাপদ বিনিয়োগ। দ্যাট মিনস হচ্ছে যে তুমি কোথাও যখন কোনো বিনিয়োগ করবা সেটা সেফ অ্যান্ড সাউন্ড, এটা সংক্ষেপে আমরা বলতে পারি এটাকে ব্লু চিপস। গার্মেন্ট ফ্যাক্টরিজ আর কনসিডার্ড টু বি ব্লু চিপস। আমি তোমাদের বোঝার জন্য আরেকটা কথা বলে দিতে চাই, আমরা যখন বাংলায় প্রবাদ প্রবচন পড়ি সেটাকেই ইংরেজিতে ফ্রেজ অ্যান্ড ইডিয়মস বলে থাকি। যেহেতু আমি বাংলাগুলো তোমাদেরকে এখানে মিনিংগুলো বলে দিচ্ছি, আশা করি তোমরা বুঝতে পারছো যে ইংরেজি ফ্রেজ অ্যান্ড ইডিয়মসটি বাংলাতে প্রবাদ প্রবচনগুলো। আওয়ার নেক্সট এক্সাম্পল ইজ বেনিফিট অফ ডাউট, বাংলা হচ্ছে সন্দেহবশত। আ জাজমেন্ট ইন ওনস ফেভার ওয়েন দ্য এভিডেন্স ইজ নাইদার ফর ওয়ান নর এগেনস্ট ওয়ান, the thief got the benefit of the doubt. Our next example is below the mark, and Bangla meaning is adorsho maner niche, and the sentence is the commodities supplied by you are below the mark. Come off, উদ্ভূত হওয়া বা জন্মগ্রহণ করা। He comes of a noble family. প্রশ্ন থাকতে পারে তোমাদের, you can ask me that you have given the idioms come off and the sentence is he comes off. You can see here he is the third person singular number, so we have to use s or es after the main verb if the subject is third person singular number and the sentence is in present tense. And our next example is come off. The second anniversary celebration of our college will come off on January 5th. We have some more examples, and these are underage অপ্রাপ্ত বয়স্ক, and the sentence is he could not cast his vote because he was underage. Upper hand প্রাধান্য, he got the upper hand in the selection. Up to পর্যন্ত, I have done the exercise up to page 40. Up to date আধুনিক, we use this word every now and then, and the word is adhunik, and the sentence is nowadays ladies are very up to date. Ups and downs উত্থান পতন, there is ups and downs in man's life. To the backbone হাড়ে হাড়ে, the boy is weak to the backbone. To the point সঠিক, the boy answered the question to the point. I have given here some more examples, and these are to the utmost, যথাসাধ্য, I tried to the utmost of my ability to have a job. To the brim, কানায় কানায়, the rivers was full to the brim. To go to the docks, গোল্লায় যাওয়া, he has gone. প্রায়ই আমাদেরকে বাবা মা এই কথাটা বলে থাকেন, পড়াশোনা ঠিকভাবে না করলে গোল্লায় যাও। Here we can find the exact idiom of this Bangla word, and that is to go to the docks, and the sentence is he has gone to the docks by keeping evil company. Throw and throw পুঙ্খানুপুঙ্খ রূপে, he read the poem throw and throw. Our next example or next idiom is silver tongue, mishtobhashi. He is a man of silver tongue. That means a person who speaks very sweetly, that is called silver tongue. Make both ends meet, আয় ব্যয় মেলানো, I cannot make both ends meet with my small income. In one's teens, 13 থেকে 19 বছর বয়সের মধ্যে সময়টাকে আমরা in one's teens বলে থাকি। She is yet in her teens. সে এখনো 13 থেকে 19 বছর বয়সের মধ্যেই আছে। Lame excuse, বাজে গুজব। The word is lame excuse, and the Bangla meaning is baje gujob. And the sentence is this lame excuse will to do. Bring to light, Bangla হচ্ছে প্রকাশ করা। At last all the facts were brought to light. Here you can see that the idiom is bring to light, but as the sentence is in past tense, we have used here brought to light. Hold good, প্রযুক্ত হওয়া, These rules will not hold good here. Tooth and nail, তীব্রভাবে, he fought tooth and nail against his enemy. In black and white, লিখিতভাবে, put down the statement in black and white. Next example is take to heart, মর্মাহত হওয়া। আমাদেরকে যখন কেউ কোনো কিছু বলে, আমরা যখন কষ্ট পাই, তখন সেটা আমরা মর্মাহত হই। And this idiom is take to heart, মনে লাগা বা হৃদয়ে লাগা, মানে হচ্ছে মর্মাহত হওয়া। He took his remark to heart. Irony of fate, ভাগ্যের পরিহাস। He could not succeed by irony of fate. By hook or by crook, যে কোনো উপায়ে। You must do this work by hook or by crook. After all, সব কিছু সত্ত্বেও, after all, he is patriot. I have given here some important examples which we use in everyday life. There are many phrases and idioms in your textbook. I hope all of you can read all those, and I will suggest you to memorize all these phrases and idioms. Try to memorize all these phrases and idioms, because if you memorize all these phrases and idioms, you can use this in your everyday life. If you can use it, you can make it confirm that you can answer all these in your exam paper. Now I am showing you how this will appear in your exam papers. These phrases and idioms will come in your exam papers as close test with close, that means fill in the blanks. I think you can understand that. I have given here some clues. I have given some sentences and every sentences has their own clue. But in your exam, these clues will be in a box and you have to pick a single idiom for a single gap. I have given here some clues or some idioms, and these are blue chips, come off, comes true, cut up, rough, dilly dally. And the sentences are in which you have to use these clues. Garment factories are considered to be blue chips. He comes of a noble family, but I have used here the word come off. You have to make it comes off. Finally, his dream comes true. At his words, he cut off rough. Don't dilly-dilly. Start the work now. Many young waste their time in daydreams. The boy is easy and free, so he has many friends. And the second fill in the blank is the learned person should be fair and square. He has finger in the pie in every matter of his family. The honest do not indulge foul play. Today we have discussed a very important topic for all of you. I hope you all can understand this, and I will again suggest you to read phrases and idioms from your textbook, in which you can understand the meaning of these phrases and idioms. And I think if you memorize all these phrases and idioms, you can properly answer this in your exams too. And you can also use this if you want to speak with someone and if you write down something elaborately. So your homework will be, there are some fill in the blanks in your textbook. I hope you will all do this in your home as homework. Thank you very much. Today we are done here. See you in the next class. Hope you all enjoyed the class. Thank you very much. Take care.